What's up, guys? Cars Gross Tex here today, and today you join us here for an If You Know You Know Garage Taco Tuesday meet. Now, y'all have seen the If You Know Garage cars in multiple videos here already. He's always hitting it for the boys. And the shop's like 10 minutes away, so we figured we'd come out and check out the cars that come out to this. I believe they're raffling off a wrap and also just showing off some projects they got going on. So it should be a solid video. Let me know what your favorite car is in the comments down below. Remember, I sell cars at Parkway Chevrolet, so let's get you rolling. You can shoot me a message on Instagram or email me. I'll put them both on screen here. And without further ado, let's get right to the action. We'll start with what we see first. We got a couple of R8s here. Two Gen 2s in gray and then matte gray. We've got a super low Gen 1 R8 here, looking real good on the HRA wheels. Round off the boys, we got an SL convertible. We got some old school stuff here with the big blower old school Camaro here. This thing is insane looking. That is just a wildly big blower. Full roll cage, and not to sacrifice creature comforts, you got an iPad screen in there, you got some nice leather seats, and a full sound system from Rockford Fosgate. And then you got the big old deep dish wheels back here. That is insane. Next to him, we got the twin turbo Nova here. There you go. We got my boy Paul the Piston over here. Looks like he's smoking a bullet. What a legend, dude. That guy is crazy. Melody's been looking around trying to figure out what's been making the noise. We got a C7 rolling up. That's my girl. Nice little M2 rolling in. It's Stitch. The shop is just beautiful here. Look at this floor. This is insane, but you do got a nice new M2, some Range Rovers, and an S2000 or something. You loving it, Stink? She's loving it. She's like so many new things to check out. We've got a race car S2000 here. I'm not really sure what motor this is. Maybe a K series it looks like. Big turbo. And the drag pack, he's got some welds on it, the Kirkies, and a big old bottle of nitrous in the back. There you go, buddy. This thing is insane. Nice color on the G-Wagon. Over here we got the 4GT and the 600 LT as well, looking good. Can't go wrong with seeing the 4GT. He was just in a video from the car culture in this thing, but man, it is just a crazy looking automobile. Carbon fiber everywhere. He's got the carbon stripes on this thing. Carbon wheels, little GT badge in the headlight, and of course the chip in the windshield. That is insane. We got the Super Vets wide body C6 rolling on through, chopping up a storm. Thing sounds good and smells good. And we got Jake and Nikki here in their TRX and GTR combination. This color on the TRX is insane. The wheels are also just as crazy. And then behind the TRX, that's Jake and the TRX. We got Nikki and the GTR, aired out on some crazy looking wheels with the big old wing, of course. And behind them an Alfa Romeo 4C. This thing is absurd. A Jeep rat rod is nuts. He's been in videos before, but still, you gotta show some love to a build that's crazy like that. We got the Fury Orange Mustang 5.0 rolling on up. We got a super high spec Turbo S, the perfect spec I might say, in the Voodoo Blue with the silver wheels looking killer. Got a Pontiac Grand Prix as well, little LS4 action. I think it sounds pretty insane actually. Incredible. I have no idea what this thing is, but I love it. We got this Charger Mopar boys rolling on up. Street Legends, it looks like. Street Runners, my bad. Mixed up the name. We got the Chucky Wrap. The rest of the Mopar boys. Nice little Isle of Man green M3 comp rolling up, looking good. You got this matte black Jeep looking also quite wild.
Ours is like,
that color's like crazy. You got a Z28 with a crazy cowl on it. There you go. That is an insane color on this R8 here. That is a sweet spec, dude. There you go. Gen 3 R8 with the Gen 2s and the Gen 1 down there behind him. Got an M2. Looking good. Got the Urus rolling on up in the chalk gray color. Always amazes me how large the Urus front brakes are. Those are insane. We got the single cab Ford race truck over here. Couple Camaro, or a Camaro, Charger. Wide body vet over here. This thing is insanely wide. That is some hips on this thing. Look at that. Got the Super Vet ZR8X wide body with the Strass wheels. Carbon fiber steering wheel. This thing is sick. I love me a clean little LS400. Looking good. Got that crazy colored Eclipse over here on some nice wheels. Some work done to this thing. I like it. We got the Dragon from Shrek on the side of the Mustang. Not really. Just kind of reminded me of that. We got Not a Mom over here in the X3. And you got the Whipple GT500 golden ticket. This is insane. That's a beefy blower right there on the GT500. And this color in person is just insane. I don't know if my camera really does it much justice, but looking good. That's husband, that's wife, that's their other car. And you got the red Hellcat Challenger between all their rides. So, here we go. Nice little Mustang, handed down only gaps. Zip ties, fix everything. We got the carbon fiber track pack pulling up here. GT500. Homies on the beadlocks out back. Looking crazy. Those are some wild looking wheels out back. Hell yeah, brother. Hop in the hood. What do we got? There we go. Stock blower, but all the bolt-ons. Got a pretty wild color on the CT5V there, looking good on the bronze wheels. Nice. We got La Mamalonica rolling on up. Hell yeah, brother. This Hellcat did a little pull on the highway before he rolled on in. You got a Huracan Technica here rolling in as well. Nice little Rapid Blue C8 as well. Hit me up, boys. I got a few of these. Got some more boys rolling in. We got the C63 rolling on up, 4 doors. And a crazy wrap. That thing is insane. Like me some V8 German muscle. We got the Huracan Technica here rolling in as well. Red on red on red with the carbon fiber hood. Very nice spec. We got more boys rolling on up with the new facelifted Model 3 Tesla. Then it looks like we got a nice little GT350 followed by a Mustang and an M2. Whoa! We got a wing on a wing rolling in. Bro has got a wing on a wing. Bro's got the wings on the wings, the red on the reds. Dude's a fan of the double up. Odd. Very nice R8 rolling out. You got the doors that go up, the wing on the wing on the wing on the wing on the wing back here. This is a wild setup here, brother. Yep. This little Mini's low. Oh my God, there's a C7 ZR1 pulling in over there. So sick. It's crazy how much these ZR1s have gone up in value, man. Those are $250,000 C7 vets now. That is absurd. Hell yeah. Bro, I thought they had the student driver thing on the back of the ZR1 as like a joke, but his kid literally just popped out of that thing. We're gonna go get the Jeep Rat Rod rolling out. This Mustang is just gonna reverse all the way back to the road. What's the setup on this thing?
It's 350 small block, Muncie 4-speed, 373 in the rear, mild cam.
There we go. This thing's so rowdy looking. I appreciate you. This thing is insane. Ooh, 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 ooh. He missed it. There's so many exits to this parking lot, I can't keep up. Still got me. Still got me. Learning to drive on a 750 horsepower C7 ZR1 is wild. Hell yeah. Bro hit the speed bump, knocked his bumper off. It's crazy. There's Jake and Nikki. Yeah. Oh, what the Kia Soul do? Ooh, kick the back end out a little bit. Crazy man. Alrighty, boys. It looks like there's mainly just motorcycles left, and honestly, we got a few motorcycles in there. I think that's enough motorcycles for the video. But hopefully you boys enjoyed. There are some good sins, there's some sick builds, some crazy cars, and this shop is super clean. So remember, I sell cars parked by Chevrolet. If you're looking for anything, hit me up, shoot me a message on Instagram, or email me. I'll put them both on screen. And on that note, boys, hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite car was in today's video down in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video.